What is being shown is the protagonist of the video, the 42B multimeter. Let's take a look at its details first. The 42B multimeter has a rotating bracket on the back, which can stand on the table without relying on objects. At the same time, this 42B has a screen backlight function. Next, we do a part of the functional test. Let's test the resistance. Let's turn on the screen backlight, then test the capacitance, and now test the continuity. First, test the value of AC. The screen shows EF means NCV test mode. You can see that the indicator lights above are flickering, accompanied by beeping sound. Now let's test the DC. The 42B multimeter also integrates a temperature measurement function. Let's test it now. And it can also convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit.